Hello there and welcome back. So in this video, I wanted to share with you like a train of thought. And basically, I have a total of 3 Pis in the system or in my home lab. And all of them have fans built in, which are managed by the GPIO pins on the SBC. And that's one part of keeping the longevity of the Pis. And the other part is the, let's say, the performance settings. And I'm currently in my Raspberry Pi NAS. And if I issue the cat sysdev cm system and so on, scaling available governors, you can see that there is a conservative, on-demand, user space, power save, performance, and schedule. And by default, it's on-demand. On-demand means that anytime there is a load on the CPU, it will jump to its highest CPU frequency. And if we want, we can check for a given Pi the CPU frequency with the CPU info max frequency. And for Pi 5s, it's 2400,000 megahertz, so 2.54 gigahertz. And if you check the RPi cluster with the same, so cat max frequency, let me copy and paste it. You can see it's 1800 megahertz, 1.8 gigahertz. And what I thought to myself is that during average load, the CPUs are running around 60 degrees Celsius. I don't know what's in Kelvin, but basically I want to make sure that they don't die of overheating or overheating related issues. So what I thought is to set my Pi 5s and Pi 4 to power save scaling. And this means that it will set the CPU speed between the min frequency and the max frequency, whichever is the lowest. So currently, if we check the min frequency, it's going to be 600. So technically, we can also check the actually set frequency. So scaling governor, and it's in power save. And then what needs to be done to set it is to edit the etc/rc.local. And here you have to add this line. So that's going to set the CPU scaling governor to the appropriate one on every run level. And you have to reboot your Pi for this to be applied. And hopefully this is going to allow you to have like a longer enjoyment of this. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. See you in the next one.